Imagine the honey you spread on your toast. Have you ever wondered how it's made? It goes through an incredible journey before it reaches your kitchen. In this video, we'll take you inside the factory to see how raw honey is collected, cleaned, and bottled on a massive scale. But is all honey pure? Stay with us to find out. Honey begins its journey with bees. These tiny workers fly from flower to flower, collecting a sweet liquid called nectar. They store it in a special part of their body, the honey stomach. Once they return to the hive, the magic begins. The nectar is passed from bee to bee, mixed with special enzymes, and transformed into honey. Carefully, the bees store this golden liquid inside small wax cells, known as honeycombs. To protect their precious creation, they seal each cell with a delicate layer of wax, ensuring the honey stays safe and pure. After beekeepers collect honey from the beehives, it is carefully extracted from the honeycombs using specialized machines. Once removed, the honey is stored in large, secure containers to keep it fresh and clean. These containers are then loaded onto trucks and transported to factories for processing. The journey is meticulously managed to ensure the honey remains pure and unspoiled. While some factories source honey from local beekeepers, others import it from different countries, ensuring a steady supply for production. After the honey arrives at the factory, the first step is filtration, removing any unwanted elements like wax, bee parts, and dirt. The honey is poured through large metal filters or mesh screens, catching all the solid bits while allowing the smooth golden liquid to pass through. Some factories even use multiple filters to ensure the honey is extra clean. This step is crucial. It makes the honey look clear and smooth before moving on to the next stage. However, even though tiny pieces of wax and pollen are removed, the rich, natural taste and essential nutrients remain untouched. Pasteurization is a process where honey is gently heated to a high temperature, usually around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, to eliminate bacteria, yeast, and tiny particles that could cause it to spoil over time. Factories do this to keep honey fresh for longer and to prevent it from becoming thick or grainy too quickly. Once heated, the honey is rapidly cooled to maintain its smooth texture. However, some believe this process removes essential nutrients and enzymes. That's why certain brands sell raw honey, which is never heated, allowing it to retain all its natural properties. Moisture control is a crucial step in honey processing. Honey naturally contains some water, but too much moisture can cause it to spoil or ferment. In the factory, large machines carefully measure the moisture level. If the honey contains excess water, it is gently dried to achieve the ideal moisture content, about 17%. This process involves careful heating or special vacuum systems that remove extra water without harming the flavor or nutrients. Keeping the moisture level just right ensures the honey stays fresh for a long time and doesn't turn sour. It also helps maintain that smooth, thick texture people love when they buy honey from stores. After filtering and controlling moisture, the honey goes through a precise blending and quality testing process, ensuring it looks, tastes, and feels the same in every jar. Inside the factory, workers carefully take samples from different batches and mix them to create a uniform color and flavor. This step is crucial because honey from various flowers can have subtle differences in shade and taste. Specialized machines check its thickness, sweetness, and purity. Some factories go even further, testing for unwanted chemicals or added sugars, ensuring that every drop remains natural, safe, and pure. Once the honey is filtered and checked for quality, it's finally ready for bottling. First, massive machines pour the golden honey into containers, ensuring each bottle receives the perfect amount. The bottles then glide smoothly along a conveyor belt, where they are tightly sealed with caps, locking in freshness and flavor. Next, labels are carefully added, displaying the brand, ingredients, and important details. Some factories choose elegant glass jars, while others opt for sturdy plastic bottles, depending on their brand's identity. Finally, the packed honey is placed into boxes and shipped worldwide, ready to be stocked on shelves, waiting for people to enjoy nature's sweet gift. Not all honey is pure. Some companies mix honey with sugar or corn syrup to make it cheaper and sweeter. But at what cost? This kind of honey is not natural and may lack the health benefits of pure honey. Real honey comes straight from bees, packed with natural enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants. So, how can you tell if your honey is pure? Check the label. Look for words like raw or 100% pure. You can also test it at home. Pure honey is thick and doesn't dissolve quickly in water, while fake honey spreads easily and disappears. Over time, real honey may turn thick and form crystals, a completely natural process. If you want the best honey, always check what you're buying. Did you know that honey never goes bad? Scientists once discovered a jar of honey in an ancient Egyptian tomb, over 3,000 years old, and it was still safe to eat. Honey has natural properties that prevent bacteria and mold from growing. That's why you can store it for years without it spoiling. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a like. And tell us in the comments, do you prefer raw honey or processed honey? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Want to see more amazing videos about how things are made? Make sure to subscribe to our channel.